Hey people, welcome, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do passion fruit ice cream. So I use 12 passion fruits that I cut each passion fruit into halves and then scoop out the inside using a spoon. So now I'm going to strain the pulp. So this is the juice from 12 passion fruits. Bear in mind that passion fruit juice is very tart, or as we say in Jamaica, sour, and very concentrated. So even though it is in small amount, but the juice is very rich in taste. I am using sweetened condensed milk to sweeten the passion fruit juice. If you're a vegan, you can use the sweetened condensed coconut milk. If you live in Jamaica, that costs about $300 and odd. You can get it at any Shepherd's Fair supermarket. Yeah, man. So I am using the amount of sweetened condensed milk that I want to use. So just gonna stir and taste to see if it is sweet enough for my taste. Bear in mind that I don't want it to be overly sweet. So I'm going to put this mixture into the fridge, allowing it to chill while I make the ice cream base. The container was in the freezer, so it is very cold. Make sure no water is in the container. So I'm adding 2 cups of cold whipping cream to the cold container. And then I'm going to whip until it forms stiff peaks. So I think this is okay. So something that I should have also told you in regards to the mango ice cream is that I use a food processor. However, if you do not have a food processor, don't worry, don't fret. Just put the mango flesh into a blender. Use the amount of condensed milk, or I should say pour in the amount of condensed milk you will be using. You determine how sweet you want it to be, and you add that amount of condensed milk, right? And then you pour a little bit of whipping cream into the blender, or if you're using heavy cream, you pour a little bit of heavy cream into the blender as well, and that will give the blender some liquid in order for the blade to blend, to spin. Because unlike the food processor, the blender needs a little bit of liquid in order for you to blend whatever you are blending. Do not use water to blend the ingredients. Now pour the passion fruit mixture into the whipping cream and use a spatula to fold it in until well combined. So this is the loaf pan I'm going to pour the ice cream mixture into. It was in the freezer for about 30 minutes. So it is very cold right now. Like I said, when I'm making ice cream, everything is cold. Yeah, man. This smells so good as well. So good. Cover the container with cling wrap and ensure that the plastic embedded into the ice cream. This will prevent ice crystals from forming and freeze for at least 6 hours or best overnight. This is my homemade passion fruit ice cream. So smooth, so creamy, so silky. Try this recipe and see for yourself. I really love this flavor ice cream. It is so tropical. Yeah man, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video. And like my videos and you can leave a comment. Shout out to a channel called Jamming with Mexi Jam. Please go over to their channel and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Walk good.